Ahmed! Ahmed!
Yeah.
Where are ya?
Here, man. I was in the back of the van. I've got another dead body, bro.
Allahu Akbar, man.
What's going on?
What are you doing?
Wallah, subhanAllah, we just had another brother pass away, man. We just came back from the cemetery. We just picked up another one, subhanAllah.
Allahu Akbar.
May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mercy on his soul, our brother Joseph, who just passed away. He's got no family. You know, subhanAllah, look, we just got back. We just unloaded the funeral from Rookwood and we just picked up another one, subhanAllah. You know, what's today?
Monday, Sunday.
New Year's Eve, Saigon. So, New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
Wow. So everyone's partying out there.
Yeah.
Wow. Look what we're doing. You know what? That's where we want to be, mate. At the Baqiyah in Medina.
How many have you done today?
Second one. SubhanAllah, but he won't be buried today because of New Year's Eve. There's going to be no time to make it, so it's going to be the next day, inshallah.
So New Year's Eve doesn't, Malik al-Maut, it doesn't take it to the night?
Brother, New Year's Eve is when Malik al-Maut is out to get as many as he can. Because this is the second one today that we know of. Look at it. Look at it. Actually, Simon, I'm going to get the paperwork. Oh no, actually, I've got his paperwork here.
What is the paperwork?
Look.
What is that?
Look, every person passes away, they give you a certificate of paperwork. That's what he's identified by. He's identified by an admission number, case number. That's it. Not Mr. Such and Such, not Dr. Such and Such, PhD, Mr. This. Case number. He's on that shelf, go pick him up. That's it.
So what's in that bag?
There's a brother that was alive probably a couple of hours ago, who has had no family. Do you think he was making preparations for New Year's Eve? Only Allah knows.
So what happens now?
So now what happens, my brothers? No party for this man on New Year's Eve, because allegedly all the Muslims are partying tonight at Brighton and all these sacred places we go to get the advantage spot. But it's only for one night. It's one night. But I'm not going to repeat myself. But this man won't be partying. I won't be partying. You won't be partying. Inshallah, Ya Rab, we'll be opening the Quran and reading the Quran, because we're going to do what benefits our akhirah. Because wallah, brothers, this is where we end up, in a bag. In a bag. Let me take him in.
You alright?
Second, yeah.
So where's this guy spending his New Year's Eve right now?
Show you now.
You gotta show us where he's
SubhanAllah,
going.
I came back from the cemetery. I opened my lunchbox to get something quickly to eat, and I had to go straight away and pick up another dead body. That's life. Yani, we're working for the Ummah. Thanks to the LMA Islamic Funeral Services, 365 days a year. Alhamdulillah. Because in Islam, there is no days off.
So is this where he's spending his New Year's party?
Habibi, this is where we're all going to spend our New Year's party if we die on New Year's Eve. In the fridge, in a fridge, where the brothers and the sisters now probably got their drinks all in the fridges and their snacks. We're going to put our brother in the fridge. That could have been me, that could have been you, that could have been anybody. Wallah, wallah, wallah. I say this from my heart. His brother was alive. Now he's not. I could be next, you could be next. Beware of what you do tonight. Anyone who's going to do anything that goes against our religion of Islam, drinking, fornication, zina. Look at this man, and this is an example Allah has given us. Stop it. Stop it before it's too late.
So being at Brighton today is alright, Ahmed?
Being in Brighton, okay, any other day is alright, but not tonight. Because tonight we know what goes on. Where's all the friends? Where's all the family for this man? Where's all your mates that are going to come to your party tonight? They're going to hang out with you at the barbecue, or whatever you have on. Where are they all? They all mean nothing. SubhanAllah.
One sec. One sec, one sec.
So, SubhanAllah. And you know what? Show the people out there a good look at where we end up. On a shelf. Still got room for 2 more. You know what? In a bag. So for all the ones putting on this hectic perfume tonight to attract the beautiful smells from the other genders and this and the lips and the whatever looks, just remember about all this. Just remember where you end up, because you know what? As this door closes, I don't think he's getting out for quite a long. And tomorrow he gets washed on this table, and then he's back to the cemetery like the rest of the people. Only the Quran. Only the Quran, subhanAllah, is what?
Ahmed, if you don't mind, can you share some words of wisdom with us before we end this video? Because I know, I can see that you're very passionate and you've been waiting to do this video today. And
you know, I did a video last New Year's Eve at the cemetery about Maghrib time, just in relation, we had a brother that died who'd been months and months dead. And it shocked me because he had no family. And 1 year later, I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again with the same thing. Another wahab, subhanAllah, this brother also died. Similar age to the other one with no family. And we're same thing, deja vu, like a movie. Like a brother said to me today, this life is like a movie.
So what's your word of advice for everybody and what they're doing today?
My word of advice, and it's not my word of advice, but it's the words of our Prophet ﷺ, is keep the bad, evil away, keep it away. Keep evil away. Keep yourselves close to your home. Don't go out to these things. Don't go out to these areas. Don't expose yourself. No matter how strong you think you are, I'm not going to engage in it, or I'm stronger than that. The heart. The heart is mu'allaq to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah knows what's in your heart because Allah created us. And anyone out there who thinks they're smarter than that, you can't be smarter than your Creator. The logic doesn't work. Brothers, please, tonight, if you wish to watch the fireworks, watch it on your TV, but watch it in the comfort and the presence and the safety of your home, where the rahmah is, and not in the exposure of the people drinking and the devil going crazy with these people and the shaitan there. Wallah, if every year we're going to keep saying this, I'll go. I don't know if I'll be here next year. If you live for 50 years, you see 50 New Year's Eves. The first 20 you don't remember. You're going to be up for 30 more. They count down very quickly. Wallah, don't let these be what we test our lives with. Brothers and sisters, please, you saw a big example today of where we end up. And this life is only short and temporary compared to the next.
Why did you make this video, Ahmed?
I made it, wallah, for the one reason. Obviously, I didn't kill the guy. So he's happened to pass away. And it came, subhanAllah, my heart wanted to do something today to help our brothers and sisters be a little bit more aware of not doing the wrong things, because peer pressure gets them. It's always the peer pressure. I did this video only if it wakes up one person. If only one person that changes their mind tonight to not do something bad and their intentions, then I believe I've done a good deed, inshallah. That's all I care about.